In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix invalid or missing start positions here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the fix for this is actually pretty easy and it's pretty simple as well. You essentially need to make some start positions. To do this, go ahead and open up the prop library while you're in the Creative Hub. And then, of course, what you need to do is look for the starting grid category. So just scroll through here. You're going to see starting grid on here eventually. And in here, you're going to have all of those start positions just like so. So go ahead and put those down and you can put them really wherever you want. You got to put the required positions on your map. As soon as these spots are added, the warning will disappear. If the message still says invalid start position, one of the existing start points is likely placed incorrectly, so you got to just move them around. I recommend just keeping them almost exactly like I have this one right here, where they're like just like this, because then you'll run into no errors. After fixing it or adding those required starting positions, that error message will disappear and you'll be good to go. That is the full process though. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.